Let's create a basic cloud setup that's optimized for a potato PC. Create a new material and delete the principal BSDF shader. Add a texture coordinate node and connect it to the material output's volume. Switch to render mode and change the render engine to cycles. Add a vector math node, then change the add to length. Add a map range node, set the min value to 1 and the max value to 0. Duplicate the length node, set it to multiply, and adjust the y value to 0.5. Add a noise texture and connect the texture coordinates object to the noise textures vector. Add a mix color node and set the mix to linear light. Connect the noise textures color output to the B socket of the mix color node and connect the multiply vector output to the A socket. Connect the result of the mix color node to the length vector input. Now adjust the noise texture values to create a random shape. Add a principled volume node. Connect the map range node to the principled volume density. Adjust the map range node values to 10 or 15. Our basic cloud material is done. You can add lights or use an HDRI if you have one. I'll be using Blender's built-in HDRI. If you want to change the cloud shape, switch the noise texture from 3D to 4D and adjust the scale. This is the material setup. There you have it, a basic cloud setup that's optimized for a potato PC.